2023 Mercedes-Benz GLC. With less than 17,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Additionally, you'll be more than pleased with extra features like these: automatic parking, side view mirrors with turn signals, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, tinted windows, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat, rain sensing wipers. We'll help you find exactly what you're looking for.